You know, many business owners work hard every day, but still they don't grow. एक business को grow करने के लिए strategic planning is an important factor because effort without planning creates activity, not growth. Strategic planning आपका business में एक clarity देता है. You know, आप अभी exactly कहाँ पे हो, कहाँ जाना चाहते हो और उस destination में पहुंचने के लिए आपको करना क्या है. अगर आप strategic planning नहीं करते हो, that means you react to the problems. But with a strategy, you build the future. अगर आपको एक consistent and sustainable growth चाहिए, then don't just operate, plan strategically and execute deliberately.